say a big thank you to each and everybody out there for always making time to watch our videos. It's not always easy to spend your time and your bundle. So let's try as much as possible to subscribe and share our videos as well. Today I have with me one of my brothers I love so much. He's a spoken word artist. He's very good. He does a lot of things. You know, he's more like a multiple skilled person. But I like him so much because of the spoken word. He's ambitious, the point. I think the last time he was here, then we spoke about his personality and some of the things he does. So today we are just going to talk about his new video out there, that is Victory. So stay tuned and have a feel of all that we are going to go through today.
The winner, Spoken Word Act of the Year 2020, goes to Ambitious the Poet.
Yeah, this is just a freestyle. I was lost, driving in a bunch of fear that my dreams can't be found. My heart was profound, but maybe I wasn't sound. Yes, I wasn't, but this time around, I was more than ready to conquer the bound. No longer will I allow this devil in me to function.
Yeah, so as I said, Ambitious is here for us to have a chit chat. You know, I love this guy so much. He does poetry like something that you can just wake up and it will come in mind, then you just bring it up, because sometimes he dwell on trends, but he has a pattern, he has how he does this thing. So Charlie, what's up?
Charlie Kulu.
Coronavirus coming.
Yeah, it has spoiled everything. But we thank God.
We thank God, yes.
Yeah.
So Ambitious, the last time you were here, we were talking about yourself and then some of your plans and things. So after the interview, what was the response?
Well, before I say anything, let me say a very big thank you to you, yourself, and then your cameraman and the entire team of Ras TV. In fact, that interview really helped me a lot. It projected the brand to a certain level that I didn't expect. A lot of people watched that interview and it was marvelous. Okay. So I think after that interview, I had a lot of followers, and then so many people started requesting for my work. So it really helped me.
Wow, that's good. I think that is the main aim for all that we're doing here.
Yeah.
Ambitious, even before we talk about your new spoken word video, you recorded a spoken word, I think Black Lives Matter. Or
yes.
What did you caption it?
Justice for racial abuse.
Justice for racial abuse. I knew something of that nature will come, because I know for sure that Ambitious is going to feed us with something like that.
Definitely.
Wow. So what was the inspiration?
Well, we all saw how the issue popped up.
Okay.
A black man was murdered in the United States of America.
Okay.
And then this has been happening not today. It has been in the system for a long time.
Okay.
It looks as if we blacks or we Africans are not seen as humans.
All right.
And for that matter, we are treated badly, or we are treated in a way that sounds different, like the way they treat human beings.
Exactly.
So when that issue popped, I said, no, this has always been my duty.
Exactly.
So let me work around the clock to see if I can bring something out there for the people to enjoy. And I think it really went well. Yeah.
I want my viewers to have a feel of it, so I just wanted to give us some lines.
Okay. I've so much love for all, cause I know the love of God must stand tall. The biblical adage of love thy neighbor as thyself is known by all. Yet others refuse to pay heed to this call. Our generation has turned a new page of hatred born out of social evil. Some say it is born out of colonization, and others say it is the work of the devil. But I don't have a say or an addition. All I seek is enough of this gross discrimination. If we were all created in the image of God, then why hate one another but love in pretense? It is time for us to also shun the love, because it pays to love but not loved in return. I still recall that morning when a notification from my phone yells at me whilst I was still on bed. I woke up to the sad news of a black man being murdered out of hatred. These monsters wish we never existed, so they are manipulating ways to get us deleted. Racial abuse is a social evil, yet no one seemed to have found a cause. Not to talk of justice taking its full course. What is happening to our generation? Someone should pinch me because it seems like I'm dreaming. How many more cases of racism should we record in this modern era before we put an end to this inhuman behavior?
Inhuman behavior, let's leave it there. Wow. I'm speechless.
You know, sometimes this poem I don't like doing it because a lot of people even told me that the first time they listened to the poem, the instrumental and the way I was flowing on it,
Wow.
they became very weak. So even me myself, if I'm doing it, you can feel the emotions.
Yeah,
if I was to continue for some time, I would have shed tears. It's really sad.
The only thing I have to say is that our guys are doing so well. Ambitious is one person I would always recommend. Though they are many, but he tries so well. When you listen to the message he puts in his spoken words, you would understand that he spends time. Yeah, so after you dropped just the justice for racism, racial abuse, what was the response you had from people?
Well, like I said, people really love the piece. You know, sometimes when anything is trending, a lot of people are looking up to Ambitious the Poet because they know I have to say one or two words about it.
Yeah.
So people were really expecting it, but I was quite, until I got that instrumental and it was very touchy. I said, no, I have to do something on this instrumental. I think it will move very well with the message. And when it really came out, the people out there receive it so well. Though it's not everybody, like I said always, it's not everybody who would buy into what you are doing.
Exactly.
We all have our own way of doing things, our own style. It's not everybody who will like it, but I think a lot of people love it.
Yes. You have been so active on social media. There's no day I will go there and I will not see anything on Ambitious page or anything. Why do you always want to make yourself available on social media?
You know, this thing we are doing, we are still growing.
Okay.
And then if you are still growing a brand and you see that there's no so much attention on that brand, you have to put in so much work.
All right.
The work here is how active you are on social media, projecting your works or promoting your works. Because you don't expect anyone to do that for you. You are the CEO of your own life, and whatever you are doing, you should take it very serious. So that is why I've been very active on social media, just to try to, you know, promote the work that I've been bringing out there.
Yeah. So, how many of your spoken words do you hear them play on air? How many of them, or you are yet to reach out?
On air?
Yeah, on air.
Well, the only spoken word I've heard played on air, I think Boot for Boot and then Coronavirus. These are the two spoken words I've heard being played on air. Yeah.
So would you reach out to some of the presenters, or you just want to just push it with the social media?
Yeah. I've been reaching out to some of them, and then it's been very difficult. You know, our industry.
Exactly.
It's not easy at all. Sometimes you have to put in money before you will be able to get that happen.
Yeah.
So it's not been easy, but I've been trying to reach out to some of them.
So what has always been the main challenge?
The main challenge is that in the north here, the attention is fully diverted on music and comedy. You get that?
Yeah.
That is where the attention is.
Okay.
You see, anything that involves music and comedy, trust me, is going to sell in the north here.
Yeah, exactly.
But the problem is the attention with regards to spoken word in the north here is still very low. We are just doing it to a small portion of people. You know, sometimes it is students and then those who are educated who listen to our pieces, and it is not also all of them who like doing it. So that has been the major challenge. So if you reach out to a presenter, the presenter will be like, if I play this thing, how many people out there will give it an attention?
Okay.
So that has always been our challenge.
But do you see that there is a need for you to reach out to everybody, because maybe it might be new to some of our people here, because most of your spoken words are in English. So at least if you are able to blend a bit of the dialect in it, maybe you would get some of the people following you bit by bit.
Definitely. We are still working on that. I'm even trying to see if I can release a full piece in Dagbani. You know our language.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's our language, but it's not easy. You have to put in much effort before people are gonna love what you bring out there.
Seriously, it's not easy.
So we are working on that.
Yeah. Wow. So ambitious. So for now, are you just still on your own, or you now have somebody who supports you small?
I can't say I am on my own, and I can't say I have a manager.
Okay.
But I have friends who are dedicated to me. Okay. Anytime I need them, they give me the needed support. One is just the gentleman I came with. Okay. He has been very supportive. Wow. Sadiq Cyber. Okay. Big ups to you. And then my brother Jamal, and then Taka Coins. Yeah. These are the people who have always been around me, being supportive. But as in having a manager, I don't have a manager by now.
Well, we hope so. Yeah. As the brand grows, definitely we'll have somebody who will invest in you. Yeah. Because we want our guys to be out there. We have very good spoken word artists who are doing
a lot.
So at least if we are able to not just diverting the attention, but we should give them the attention they also need. Yeah. I think it will help the industry. Just recently you dropped a new video, Victory. I don't know why you have so much love for it. Because I was thinking, okay, maybe Ambitious will drop a video of any of his spoken word. But when I checked, it was Victory. What's so special about it?
Well, you know, that Victory spoken word is a motivational piece. Yeah. And most of our youth today are almost giving up on what they do. Exactly. So I thought it was that, no, let me really, and because of this COVID-19 thing, you know, everything has gone down. Everything has slowed down. Yeah. And it looks as if so many people are giving up on their careers, so many people are giving up on school, so many people are giving up on their works because they don't earn much like they used to. So I just thought that no, it is good I shoot a video for that spoken word, because in that spoken word it contains some bit of motivation that can inspire the youth to keep on and have belief in whatever they are doing. One day they are gonna make it. So that was why I shot a video for it.
Wow, that's nice. Who shot it?
Taka Coins.
Oh, Charlie, this guy, Coins. You see, as for Coins, I don't know what to say. You see, everywhere he's there. Where did you shoot it?
I don't even know how to describe it.
Where did you shoot it?
That was in around Young. Yeah.
You shot it
the around? Location, the costume and whatever. He arranged it. He said, go and look. You just say, you know, go and get your costume, get a suit, get a black trouser, get a black shoe. And then the location so when we were even going there, I didn't know there until we got there. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So for how long did it take you to shoot? Did you just use one day or it was
it just took us 1 day.
1 day.
Yeah.
So you went there early and then late in the afternoon.
Yeah. We went there somewhere around 9 to 10.
Okay.
And by 12, 1 we were done.
Wow. Okay. Haven't dropped the video. I've watched it personally and then I was impressed. I know what Ambitious is capable of doing. Taka Coins also did, or even though if he had gotten a nice budget, it would have gone beyond that.
Yeah.
How is the views on YouTube?
Well, the last time I checked, that was yesterday night. We had about 160 views. 160.
You see, sometimes I don't understand our people. Yeah, everybody's striving, you know, everybody's striving. We are doing this because of love.
Yeah.
You understand? Sometimes they look at it in a way that, but this guy, when did he come into the scene? Sometimes they look at that and I don't see that we should. You see, sometimes pay attention to the content.
Yeah.
If it's good for you, you accept it.
You accept it.
Always I tell people that when you are watching Ras TV or interview, don't look at Ras Raja. Don't look at me. I have nothing to do with it. The content is what you should pick. If it's good, you share it.
Yeah.
That is the only thing we have to do. Forget who is seated there. If your eye is on the person, you won't be able to do what is expected of you.
Yeah.
So, Ambitious, looking at the nature of the industry, what do you think you, the poets, can do to get the people's attention?
You know, the industry, like I said before, is not fair to the spoken word artists.
Okay.
It's not fair to spoken word artists. In the sense that we are also putting in so much effort.
Okay.
We are putting in so much effort. And then it's high time they give us attention, because we also put in money with regards to recording, with regards to shooting of videos. Though the attention is not on the spoken word, but we still invest just to, change the society in which we find ourselves.
Okay.
So we can't say that the industry is not favoring us, and for that matter, we should stop.
Okay.
What I think we can do is that we have to devise strategies.
Okay.
Maybe just come together, we the spoken word artists.
Okay.
We should come together and deliberate on what are some of the measures that we can put in place to ensure that spoken word in the North can also be projected.
Exactly.
And I think one way which I am having in mind to do in the future is to have a program on air that can call upon spoken word artists.
Okay.
That can play spoken words on radio. If we have someone like that, just one
person,
a program like that on radio, dedicated for spoken word artists, even if it is not for just spoken word artists, but a section of the program dedicated for spoken word artists, with time people are going to love what we are doing.
Wow.
But the issue is that we don't have that. Unlike music that you can tune to radio and listen. If you don't know Fancy Gadam, or if you don't know Makasu or Wischal or Fadilan, upon listening to radio, you might get to know these guys and know what they are capable of doing. So I think that is what we also need.
Wow. Okay. I think it would be nice if we see you come together as maybe an association. So when you come together, when you push, your voice will be heard.
Yes.
I'm sure our people love poetry. They know about it. Yet at times they know about it. But it's like, I don't know whether they want you to do it the way they want it, or what do they really want from you. So I will advise that when you come together, it will be nice when you push, your voice will be heard.
Yes.
I'm sure that is actually going to help you.
Yes.
So well. Yeah, so Ambitious, now that the industry is this way, what are some of the steps you have taken? Because I don't know, most spoken word artists now are just recording and compiling it to put it in the form of an album. I don't know whether you have that plan or you have your own strategy to push your spoken word.
Well, it's good to have an album. It's good.
Yeah.
But looking at the nature of the industry, because much attention is not on that. Just imagine I release a piece within 2 days.
2 days.
And it's still having 160 views. And maybe mine is even better.
Yes, exactly.
You trace other spoken words, they are distant, and the views are very low.
Very low.
Very, very low.
But with very great message.
With very great message. So you get that?
Yeah.
That is just a single one. And they are finding problem just to go and look at it and subscribe to your channel. So how more gathering them and throwing it at them to listen to everything.
So you know.
So you see that though it's possible, it's for compiling an album is not anything. I can just lock myself in the room within 3-4 days. I'll be done having an album. You get that?
Exactly.
Because I have a lot of inspirations in my mind. But sometimes you get, sometimes we feel that no, you just have to relax and take things step by step.
Step by step. Okay.
Because compiling an album comes with so many things. If you compile an album, you have to promote every single
Exactly. Yeah,
listen
you
in
need
the
to
album.
do the promo very well.
You need to do the promo very well. You need to shoot videos for some of them.
Some of them, exactly.
You get that?
Yeah.
And here is the case: we don't have the resources. We don't have the attention.
Okay.
We are still building the brand to get the attention heavily.
Okay.
If we get the attention heavily, it will be very easy putting an album out there and shooting videos for them. So for me, I am cool. Even if I'm to bring out an album, that will be probably next year.
Okay.
So that I can use this year to intensify the building of the brand very well.
Okay, I think that would be nice. I just want us to switch the dialect a bit.
Yeah.
So that we just appeal to our people to support us, because we are driving hard for North, you know. Ras TV, I think that we didn't just come to serve only the musicians. We are in for every creative individual in the North. Whether you are a spoken word artist, you are an actor, you are a filmmaker, you are a musician, you are a comedian. We are in to project everything. They make some bit of something. Ambitious, laying straight into the camera.
To no kwan ye shenyela. Ambitious the poet Damleki ko wumno, and nyela spoken word artist. Spoken word artist dagba nti ne yeto atamelsi. Temegban nan be shama de nyela ben shao de yen son mel biago be de yen son kat biago kar chantoni. De kuman la ti yi de man zan yeto asha de be biago ne. Mel yi ne yila ma la no kat banan te den ma. Te zan la yeto asha de be biago pune. Whether you lam yeto anyele zaba yeto anyele kat bo nrichi so do pense yeto anyele bumbu yeto anyele. Kategbazan le nan yeto atamelsi donc kon cheka te biago kar lergi te minen nan dema dipa in ban yuno ntap sonti kar chan ven yel ngam tan sone sa hati ampam ka the spoken word industry ma kar pi midi table ne nirbo pambe sambane ka yu yeto atamelsi pam ka bo andre pi de sorte kon soyam kadama sa pa yani iti tegbaza sa ititi attention katibazan temal bang sim shelbi tibana buham bashama nzan we ki dia fan ka ambitious ko ki entap son temal ni ropam ka be outside gifted tima biani tunte the poet Abdul the poet Ismuk the gigante Dosa Rash bugesia pam kana che bana yisrna iba the poet ni onkuto kalba itap son ti katibanye tinya zambe shao nti dagban medune zasa
Ntia de non yasin zan ata wum tama bi man zan faga she zan soma ko mo capaz kam non katar ka watch the video an ko de no izina yusra banda watchira inde late video man a try ka subscribe ambitious a YouTube channel ma bi
ambitious prince yaro
ka niri bora Facebook video na nyale Facebook
account ya prince yaro
okay
but spoken word ma kan le my page tele so na you permanently like a page because
page
my friends madam page man ya ambitious the poet so I could search ambitious the poet you know ka likely be shaka about ambitious you can anya ngwe dire da fan
to choma ka san sa tin kon pomo ka paso kam no so kam e tu ni taf son ti tu ma da no easy la di obere pun pam ka za ha kum wanda because no of ma ka za ha ni so i taf son ti ka tu ga taf son tam ba ma ja tu ma anya ni chantoni nkon san la pika ya a big thank you to Bruce Guest House for opportunity mama ndey nun kan yara birthday party kama la be wedding reception bi akobwa na yisa bana ti me pom jera to yin kwa man ka kana de bi la 15 ai pa na sabun kudi jama gbanjama nyanga palji se pyer yama funa ai po palama kanna anu zapulo anyi signboard ka chana ni mana environment ma no seri pam ka mi shaka za hanu ku chongo so indey kana ni man ta ni woso when di amfani. I want to say a big shout out to Sina Ibrahim. He has done so well in supporting the brand and then just believing in our dream as well to Mr. Leonard Kubale. When you was nominated to the most influential personalities in Northern Ghana. Ka obato so some no odile so I want na vote akon dial star 365 star 366 hash o code man M40 so you dey ku into Okod man. I'm going to Shankar and go to ambitious. So I find out where Susan Titum no one coming up with.
Well, before can now pony and push over and when you lay to Angoti by Unity Sambani.
Yeah.
You see, no for Tamala wanting, swaying and on the Benny, Cargel Pump. The tunet to Dagwe and supported like a chunk Tony. The last time I checked Ras TV subscribers, I wasn't happy. Because in Tabibiane, the whole Northern region subscribing to Ras TV. Because Ras TV is the channel that did not only give chances to musicians. Come on from Yelma. Come on to spoken word artists. So chances, but you have given us that chance. So you know the Bancarjela. Either the band song be presenting you beaucoup in an under Kenya come and song industry man. On my page, go and like the page. On my YouTube channel, go and subscribe to the YouTube channel because the more common subscribers, Obabene, Nirupam you line your patrons in YouTube. The certain young Kabanka Ghana Banka Bankuka Ghana Baka watch la video ma. That we ma the projector la Ghana ka projector Northern region. And there's one question Belma and then Poson Pillow Quenchang Ras Steve and then apart from that, no pwe Taka Coins. Big ups to you for that classic and wonderful video.
Yeah.
The 20 Poker Papam because you have been very supportive. Yeah. I manamala final election. I'm Baba Mukan to Conchuko colleague manager. Taka Coins. Big ups, bro.
Yeah.
And then Nzonum Bantaro son Mazaha Bambi WhatsApp group ni Bambi Facebook page so in entire son Tanya ambitious Makachi diploma so I'm no one so big ups to you all.
Yes.
Tiano kompo kapa kapo bamanama bubada duanche kanchento no.
Trauma ka science at the thing. Ntahi debla unda that will be next time. You bond la Ras Raja and his ambitious the point. See you next time. Bless.